Hello friends, in this video I will show you my project stock market analyze prediction, and the first step is to get the data. Yahoo Finance is a rich resource, but um, now we will be using J Finance Library, which offers a treated and Pythonic way to download the market data from Yahoo, which is here. And then the I in this cell I renamed the company name column to clearly understand. For example, from AAPL to Apple, and go to Google. And let's see. Let's check the input, and this is the input, and this is the input of the company name. And let's check the output. This is the last one, the output. And the describe statistics about the data. This method describe include those that summarize the central tendency, dispersion, and shape of dataset distribution, excluding non-values. The information about the data, the info method brings information about data frame, including the index, d-type, and columns, non-volumes, and memory usage. The closing price. The closing price is the final price of a stock at the end of a normal trading day. It's like a snapshot of the stock's value at the end of the day. Investors use this price to see how well the stock is doing over the time. As you can see in this plot, the volume of a sales. The volume is a measure how much of something like stock or security is bought and sold over a certain period of time, like a day. For example, if we were talking about a specific stock, the trading volume will be the number of shares of that stock that are traded between the time and the market opens at the time it closes. And what was the daily return of a stock on average? I will be use this method, PST change, to get the not the absolute value. I will get the changes, the small changes of every row. Let's go to see. For example, if I print this one, and you can see the first value is none, but the second value will be, there will be a difference from the first value and the second value. The method PST change will help. We will, this method will help to get that difference. Let's plot, and we can see this is the daily return of a stock on average. And the summary in this notebook, I just take a highlights of these points. How to load the stock market from Yahoo Finance, and how to explore and visualize time series data using pandas, matplot, and in a future video I will use CS board. Thank you very much. I hope this video helps you, and see you in another.